Hello, the Stockhead faithful. Good to be back with you again. This week I'll be talking about a Canadian iron ore developer. First onto market, plenty of volatility out there. Gold holding up about above 3,300 US an ounce. So we're seeing some big moves from sovereign governments, China, India, US and Russia stocking up on gold. And a lot of ETF activity, which I talked about a few weeks ago. Copper's come off a bit to under $4.80 US a pound on the back of threat of 50% tariffs in June in Europe. Iron ore's also come off slightly, but holding up around 96 US dollars a tonne. On to the stock of the week, Cyclone Metals Limited. The ticker is CLE. I have discussed this a number of times before. Had a high of 7.8 cents going back a few months after the announcement of the 138 million US farm in from Vale. Dipped to about 3.5 cents and has just recovered to 6 cents on some pretty strong volumes earlier this week. Cyclone also have a 50,000 metre drill program commencing July, August this year. As you're aware, they also already have a substantial JORC resource of 16.6 billion tonnes at 29.3% Fe. So I'm expecting this drill program to significantly expand that resource. Operational update out earlier this month, pretty impressive results. Included phase 4 of the metallurgical test work, came back with some impressive direct reduction concentrate figures, 71% iron and 1.2% silica. Very low deleterious elements, so has to put it in the top tier of new magnetite developments looking to make green steel. Other highlights which I have mentioned earlier, port and rail facilities are in place. Bulk samples of blast furnace concentrate have also been tested. They came in at just over 69% Fe and 1.5% silica, so more good results. Plenty of news flow coming up. There's a power and rail study coming up the next month or so. The scoping study is due out in late June, early July. I'm expecting some pretty impressive numbers. No doubt Vale have had a very close look at these numbers over the last 18 months before signing the deal earlier this year. So I expect that to be a real driver of the share price. The company has an EV of about 65 million at 6 cents. There's another 6 million US due in from Vale next month as part of their 18.75 million US commitment for the first phase of this project. That'll take the company through to February, March next year, the completion of the pre-feasibility study. So that's another milestone that we'll be watching very carefully. That's all for this week. We look forward to seeing you next week.